If you're trying to build a sustainable business, brand, product, or service, I need you to hear this. Your head is in the wrong place. Almost everything you've been taught about sustainability is outdated, oversimplified, and frankly, ineffective. I'm Ken Alston, and after over 3 decades of working with businesses worldwide, I've watched countless well-meaning, well-intentioned leaders fail because they followed a playbook that was never designed to create and manage a sustainable business. When business sustainability was in its infancy, the first goal was to create a mind shift in a C-suite executive that was comprised at the time of older white males. The triple bottom line concept of environment, equity, and economy, or people, planet, and profit, was developed 40 years ago. It was intended to broaden the executive's perspective and extend it from only financial considerations to include environmental and social considerations. And it worked. Today, this mental model of sustainability remains the predominant one, even though it's failed to live up to the promise of creating more sustainable businesses, brands, products, and services. Think about this. Every textbook definition, diagram, consultant's framework, and sustainability report template you've seen tries to solve a three-dimensional challenge with two-dimensional thinking. This isn't just about going green or reducing impact. While admirable and necessary, those goals are like trying to build a skyscraper with a blueprint for a garden shed. What if I told you that true business sustainability isn't in our old business books, but in transforming your business thinking and managing using the same systems that have sustained life on Earth since the very beginning? In this channel, I'll show you why the conventional wisdom about business sustainability is holding you back. And more importantly, I'll show you how to tap into the only business sustainability framework that's proven to work by following nature's proven design system. This is not biomimicry. It's a business sustainability operating system for executives that's updated to reflect the business world as it is today. If you're ready to stop playing catch up and start leading the way, stay with me. Subscribe to my channel. I guarantee that what you're about to learn will transform how you think and act about sustainable business forever.